Hello and welcome back again to the course Comprehensive Slope Stability Analysis using PLAXIS 2D. Here is tutorial 38, Slope Stabilization with Soil Nailing in PLAXIS 2D. So in this lecture I will show you another improvement method for soil stabilization using a soil nailing. And soil nail is a type of a reinforcing soil system that is used for stabilization of excavation or slopes by installing closely spaced steel bars, or it's called a soil nail, into the ground. After installing these soil nails, steel bars, these nails are grouted in place and work in tension to reinforce the soil mass and increase the stability of the slope. After installing these nails, then the face of the slope is covered with these types of wire mesh, or sometimes combined with a shortcrete, to provide additional strength to the face of the slope, also to prevent erosion of the face of the slope. In here I will shortly talk about the installation of soil nails for slope stabilization. First we have a site preparation. The site should be ready for installing the soil nails, and we should have a clear soil laws and vegetation, and also the position of the soil nail should be marked, and also we should have a safe access for the equipment. Then we have drilling steps using a special machine such as a rotary drill, and these holes are opened using these machines for soil nails, and the length or the depth of this hole depends on the design requirement, and this drilling hole is designed at inclination typically between 10 to 25 degree with the horizontal or below horizontal. And after these holes are ready, the reinforcement is placed into these holes, and this reinforcement is deformed steel bars or hollow nails with a centralizer to maintain a grout cover. As you can see in here, we have a centralizer. So the function of this centralizer is to keep the cover for the grout from each side. So after placing the reinforcement, the grouting is pumped into these holes, and using a cement water ground and water cement ratio generally between 0.5 to 0.4 to 0.5 to completely fill the pre-drilled hole. And after installation of these nails, we have a facing installation. So facing installation generally consists of fixing a wire mesh and in combined with a shortcrete, and we apply a shortcrete. So the thickness of shortcrete generally between 7.5 to 15 centimeters. And after that, these soil nails are anchored with bearing plates and nuts. The final step, we have drainage and finishing. So drainage can be done using installing weep holes or inserting perforated pipes for diverting the water, or maybe sometimes we need a surface drain for a slope. In case of unreinforced slope, the safety factor is 1.3. And for reinforced slope with a soil nail, the safety factor is 1.7. So this one is in case of unreinforced slope. You can see this is a deformed shape. We can check the deformation. This is a most critical failure surface in case of unreinforced slope. And if I move to factor of safety after soil nail, we can see the critical failure surface is different, and you can see that we have a greater and deeper failure surface of the slope. So if we increase the length of this soil nail, the factor of safety will be increased more. So you can increase the length of this soil nail and try again, and you will see more improvement in the safety factor of the slope. So this was for this lecture. I hope it was clear and useful. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.